Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Chime to a bank account. Watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So how to send money from your Chime to your bank account? You have to simply follow this simple process, which is you use the Chime transfer fund features right in the app, then open the Chime app, then tap on move money, then from there select transfer funds, then add your external bank account using your routine and account number, then from there enter the amount to transfer. From there tap transfer to complete the process, then and that's it. Then here's the key important note: transfer may take between 1 to 3 business days, depends on the network of the bank, and that's how you can simply send money from Chime to bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.